Hi, how you doing? I'm Sidecom from affiliateship.com and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm just gonna pull this table a bit towards me. So today's video we're going to talk about seeking the best affiliate program is the wrong approach. So if you're looking for the best affiliate program tomorrow, then in my opinion there's no single best affiliate program, as there are definitely more than one, because there can be best affiliate programs in many different niches. So you have to first research the affiliate programs that are available in your niche. For example, if you're in the weight loss niche, then you can start your research online with a search on something like best weight loss affiliate programs. And from your research, you can further narrow down and make a list of all the popular programs in the weight loss niche. But instead of focusing first on the best affiliate program, your focus should be more on the actual product itself. So you must ensure that these best affiliate programs in whatever niche they are behind great products and services that provide the best value for the customer. So in our example of finding the best affiliate programs for weight loss products, we need to make sure that these affiliate programs have great value and great quality weight loss products that they're promoting, right? And these weight loss products should be proven to get results for people, as in they can actually help people lose weight and will help people become slimmer and achieve their weight loss goals, etc. In many cases, it's all about the product that can get the best results and provide the most value and quality, because that's what the people want. For example, if you want something to protect your feet and walk on, you can buy a low-cost shoe that costs a few dollars, or you can go for a high-quality, popular branded shoe that costs a few $100s. The typical difference would be that the high-cost shoe may be more durable, comfortable, due to its high-quality materials and build quality, and may even last longer, as in wear and tear. That's not the case all the time, but with many things it is very common. For example, this was true in my experience of buying a low-cost sports trainers and a high-cost one. So previously I purchased some low-cost sports trainers or sneakers, some you may say in the US, I believe, from a budget shoe store, and realized that they would get worn out after a short time and they just wouldn't last long. But when I decided to spend a little more on a slightly higher quality, good brand trainers that cost a little more, then I realized that they last a much more longer time period. Now, I said that's not always the case, but generally many would agree that you get what you pay for, right? And in many cases. And for many of these products, if you want the greater quality and best value, then you would usually need to pay a bit more for them, right? Therefore, I believe that when you're looking for promoting affiliate products and programs, focus on the product first and consider the affiliate program behind it. For example, if you can have the best affiliate program with the highest commission payouts, but that doesn't make it the best affiliate program necessarily, right? Because that affiliate program could have the worst rated, worst quality product that gets lost to refunds, which means you won't get paid any affiliate commissions. If you do, you'll have a lot of refunds that you have to pay the money back. But more importantly, your customers that you promoted to can get, become unhappy. They'll receive bad value, and as a result, your reputation with your audience, could get tarnished and damaged, which of course you don't want, right? To sum it up, I'd say that first, find the best quality and value products that produce the results, and then research the affiliate program that's managing the product itself or service, right? So during your research, you need to do your due diligence and make sure that the affiliate program is genuine and reputable, so that you've got a good chance of getting paid your commissions as well. When you manage to find the best quality and best value products in your niche, combine it with the affiliate program that's reputable with great commissions and support, supporting you as an affiliate, then this could be your best affiliate program for you in your niche. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and if you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com /newsletter. And thank you for watching this video, and all the best.